Right, guys, on this tutorial I'll be bringing out the information from the database. This is what we have in here. I want to bring this out and show it out on the members page of Danoson Tuts. Alright, let's jump to Sublime Text one more time. Come in here and put in the PHP code for that. The first thing I need to do is to connect to my database. Connect to my database. Okay, so simple. I'm gonna do this. MySQLi connect. Alright, come in here. I'm working with a local host. My user is root, and the password is always empty. But if you go online, if you have your site hosted, you should make sure you have your database password. Alright, Danoson Tuts is the name of our database. Alright, let's be sure we have this connection. So if not $db, that's if it didn't connect, it should echo out there to say oops, encountered an error while connecting to server. Okay, then the next thing is I need to prepare query to fetch information from my database. What I need to do is to prepare an SQL query to select all the information. SQL, I'm going to say select all from TBL users. That's the name of our table we created in the previous videos. I'm selecting everything in the table. The next thing is I'm going to now run the query. You do that with to get a better view. We'll do that using the PHP MySQL function called MySQLi query. First of all, you put in the database value, then you put in the SQL code created. We're querying this against the connection. Alright, so I'm going to verify that data was fetched, that data was found rather. Okay, so I'll do that using the PHP conditional if conditional statement. I'll come in here, use a PHP MySQLi function known as MySQLi number of rows. It's used to find out the number of rows in our result set. In this query, when we select all, how many information do we have? That's the MySQLi number of rows. Now if it is less than 1, that means we have nothing. I can say echo no users at this time. Okay, then come down here, else I'm going to fetch data and display to users. Now to fetch data, you use the PHP while loop to do that. And say while I'm going to create a variable for this data I am fetching. I'll create a variable called $row. Then I'm going to fetch the information, and you fetch it using PHP MySQLi function, MySQLi underscore fetch assoc. It fetches an associative array. The associative array allows you to reference information from the table using the names of the column. Now I'm going to say $run, which is our query here. I'm fetching the associative array from the run query. Okay, so here I'm going to display the information. First of all, I'm going to echo the rows of my table. A table ought to have a row. So that's how you write a row in HTML. I'm going to close that row here, close that table row. TR stands for table row. Here I'm going to have my table data. Now each table data represents a data from the database. So I'm going to say td, and then I'm going to put in the information from the fetched row, and I'm going to say the name of the row I want, username. Close it here. Now these periods here are called concatenation. They are used to add up the markup to the value you are bringing out from the table. It is almost like additional information, helping you to keep the markup of the table alongside the information you are bringing from your database. So it allows me to attach the beginning of the table data and the ending of the table data to this information. So because I have other information like the username, the email address, the department, and the date registered, I'll just paste it in here. Say email. I need to know the person's email address. I also want to know the person's department. I also want to know the date the person was registered. Okay, let's look at what we've got here. Okay, beautiful. Just these 4 items. That's what we want. Okay, then after this, I think we have everything neatly imported. So I'll come in here, click on members to refresh, and there's an error, undefined index, date registered. So I'm going to go in and find out what exactly it's talking about. Undefined index. Okay, according to our database, this is an underscore. Alright, that makes it a lot better. So everything is in order. So in the next video, I'll be teaching you how to update this user information. Like a user has an email address and they want to change it, or the username they want to change it, you learn how to do that, and also in subsequent videos how to delete information. Okay, see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.